All right, let's move on to the next job, which is this. Unbelievable. Blew a gear tooth right out of it. Really wild. I've had one like this, it was probably about 12 years ago. What's really cool is the LSD is actually still functioning. So that's a great save. Mushroomed the dust cap. This axle was driven into the rear all the way and mushroomed that dust cap. I've actually pulled this out. It was still pressed all the way up against the rear end. I pulled it out and now everything's kind of moving freely. But anyway, I want to go ahead and get this thing opened up, see what the carnage looks like. Stand by. Okay, so what we got. Oh yeah. Well, we have gear teeth everywhere. Got one lodged in here. Well, yeah. Pinion tooth. Also a pinion tooth. Pinion tooth. So that answers the question there, is what was sticking out of the cover. It's pinion teeth. Also not good. The distance piece definitely lost the preload. Yeah, how about that? Pretty good. Amazing, blow a hole through this thing and still not completely destroy this rear end. It is repairable, can be rebuilt, and will make it better than it was when it left the factory.